In this video, I'll show you how to redeem codes in Slap Tower on Roblox. So to get started, go ahead and open Roblox into your device and then use the search field which you'll find at the top of your screen, and then search for Slap Tower and then click on Slap Tower and then click on this play button. Now once you're in here, as you can see, you can find all of the tools that you can use on Slap Tower, such as Slap, Giant, Fly. So you can go ahead and play in this area. So currently, there are no codes that exist for Slap Tower because the game doesn't have a code redemption system. So due to this, there are also no expired codes that the game, since the game has never had a functioning code system. And that is basically how you can redeem codes in Slap Tower.